Hi, I'm Tim O'Donohue, and I'm a licensed clinical therapist for over 25 years. I specialize in working with couples and relationships. I run a business called Relationship Store, and I'm here today. I want to tell you about this 30 Days to Right Your Relationship. What this is a guidebook to save your relationship. Maybe you're struggling, maybe you've had a difficult time, maybe you've looked at self-help books before, you've read the psychology books, you've looked at John Gottman, you've looked at Harville Hendricks. It's not quite what you need. What I've done is I've taken 25 years of steps clinically, research-based, of what I've learned of what works to help a relationship, and I put it into easily manageable steps. So every day, the 30 days are broken down into steps and concepts. So being your best self, for example, not just a concept, not just be your best self, but actually how to do it every day and make it consistent in your life. Things like that, how to schedule fun, how to have fun regularly with your partner and not have it seem like it's a work, but also to make sure that it happens. You know, how to take a time out when you're angry, what that is, steps like that, how to value your partner, how to actually not just think about it, not just, yeah, I wish I valued my partner again, or I wish I felt these feelings of love again, but actually step by step, how to change your thoughts, which will lead to a change in feeling, which will bring back that love and harmony. And there's also chapters about accountability and, you know, making the things right that need to be corrected. So it's not about sweeping things aside. It's about addressing things in a step-by-step fashion that bring the love and the harmony together again. So I'll put a link at the bottom to Amazon. You can purchase it. We now have a workbook that goes along with it, which is great. So every day is broken down to steps you can actually write in and keep track of in your progress back to your relationship. I guarantee it'll work. I'm at relationships.store.org. If you have any questions or it doesn't work for you, let me know because I know it will. Thank you.